Okay, guys, how are you all today? This is, I'm going to pull up. Oh, I can hear myself. Okay, I'm Deborah from Housewife Eclectic, and this is Sophie. You're not going to say anything?
I'm a banana.
Apparently this is a banana. This is Sophie the banana, apparently. We are just real quick here today to unbox some jewelry that I have not pre-looked at, so I wanted to get like real raw reactions to see if it's cute stuff, huh? Yeah? So when you hop on, let us know where you're hopping on from. We are just in about the middle part of Utah on a very hot day. You're just not gonna talk. She's not gonna talk.
I will.
I'm Deborah, this is Sophie. So, should I pull out the first thing?
Yes.
Okay.
Pretty.
You like those?
Uh-huh.
Here, why don't you take them up and show them? So this is the first one. It's these flower.
I have the white and green ones, I think.
Yeah, those flower earrings. So this is, we're unboxing a box of LifeBeats jewelry. This is kind of like the first I've heard of them, but they look really cool. So here are those earrings. I like the green ones. Do you like the green ones?
Yeah, I have the green and white ones.
You have one similar, huh?
Yeah, I have one similar.
Okay, so I love that they have these fun little messages on them. It says, bloom where you're planted.
What's the next item?
Okay.
Right.
She's impatient.
Sorry.
Oh, that's pretty.
What is it?
It's a necklace. Go show. What does that say? So I think
cursive. I'm not too good at reading cursive.
you're not too good at reading cursive. It says live the life you love. So I think one of their cool things that they have is they have jewelry that has a lifetime warranty, it looks like, and they also have like these reminder cards to kind of like inspirational messages. Like this one says, today I choose to open my heart to the goodness others can give me.
Can I?
Okay, reach in, grab one.
So cute.
I was like, I gotta take it back or she's gonna steal it. Here you go, show.
It's a little crown necklace.
I really like that. Can you hold it this way so they can see the 3D of the crown?
Is it back?
Like this. See? I really like that. It says, don't let anyone dull your sparkle, is the...
I want it.
Fine. It's really cute.
Yeah, I often steal my things that my mom has.
She's like, yeah, I'm gonna need that.
Yeah.
So here are some more of those. Like this is what the little reminder cards look like. Okay, you ready? Grab some else.
You can have this one.
Thank you. I'm so glad you let me have my own stuff.
It's a little crane necklace, right? Isn't it a crane?
Yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks like
Little crane.
a little paper grape. It says, peace is at, I can't read, is not the destination. Peace is the way. I really like that one. I'm super happy about that one. So this is LifeBeats jewelry. This is my first exposure to them.
Look at this.
Oh, wow, that's cute. Go show.
Jeanette Princess or your crown will slip. That's what it says.
What does it say?
Jeanette Princess or your crown will slip. That's what it says. It looks like, anyway.
Chin up. I thought you were saying shut up, princess. And I was like, what? Doesn't make any sense. So this is a bracelet. Super cute. I really like that card too. Super cute. Okay, reach in. Grab something else. A dragonfly.
You know,
Do you know who, I was going to say, you know who loves dragonflies? Your grandma. Go show.
every day means nothing good, but there's something good in every day. That's what it says.
I like that one. I think that is going to go on my dresser.
Yeah, there's a lot of good things that happen every day.
That's true, huh? Okay. Ready? Reach in. Grab something else.
It's a little shine.
Okay, go show.
Higher in your soul and grace in your heart. And it has a little necklace that looks like it has a diamond. It says shine on it.
That's cute.
Take the next subject. This was on today is the perfect day to be happy. And then there's a cute little necklace that says it says happy in life on each side. So it says life on the top and then happy right there. And then bottom it says life again. And then it probably says happy in the back.
Okay, grab another one. 2 more.
There's a little arrow for heart on it. That's
How cute. Go
in
show
the direction of your dream. Live the life that you've imagined. That's it is.
Last one. Dude, that's some cute stuff.
It says, look who you are, and there's like a little owl and some moons and stars on it.
Okay.
Can I choose
Wow,
it?
what cute stuff. Let's.
Can I choose which ones I want?
Yes, I guess
Or,
you can.
except you can have the crane, of course.
I have a thing for cranes, can you tell? So this one says Happy Life on it.
Oh, I don't love that one.
You love that one.
Yeah.
And that one says Shine with a little diamond. This one, I think, I've lost that one to the Sophie.
What is it? The crown?
Crown. You like that one a lot?
Hand me the crown.
Hand you the, she's like, give it over.
Is this a pile
there's
of stuff
the
that's
crown.
going to go for me?
She's taking all my jewelry.
Sorry.
Okay, there's the dragonfly. I'm not upset, honey.
You can have that one if you want.
She's like, that one's for
I like
Mom.
dragonflies too.
I like this one. This is cute. It
What
says
is
Chinook
that?
Princess. So let's open one of the cards up.
The crown?
So I'm going to open up the crown.
What is it? A bracelet or a necklace?
No, this one's a necklace. So you can open it up and you take the crown out.
Carefully.
Carefully.
I like the earrings so much.
You do?
Uh-huh.
Good, I'm glad. So we take the crown out carefully. Oh, look at even their logo's kind of cute. So there's the crown, but then each one has like a little card that you can stand up as like a reminder. I like their positivity message.
So can we choose which ones we want?
And so then we've got this little infinity one, and then the arrow. This one.
Arrow.
I really love the owl one. It's super cute. You can see that.
The ones I want the most are probably
And
the earring, the crown, the arrow, and the happy sign.
And then these earrings. Super cute.
I really want to get this.
So this is LifeBeats Jewelry. I had never really heard of them until just recently, and they were kind enough to send this box of jewelry for us to unbox for you, so you guys could kind of get a feel for what they are.
5. Which one do you want?
She's gonna divvy up
Well,
this
each
jewelry.
have 5.
Just chill for now.
Even, okay?
Just chill for now, my love. I will let you divvy it up, but just don't do it quite yet.
Okay.
So I like the iridescent wings a little bit on that dragonfly.
I like the crown.
She like this. Seriously, guys, what a cute little piece of jewelry. Can you see that little crown? I can't tell. My video is lagging just a little bit. Oh, there we go. So you can kind of see it. Super cute. So I think that's Sophie's favorite piece.
Yeah, probably.
And I think my favorite piece is this little
crane.
This little dove. This almost looks like a paper crane. So super cute. Really fun. Okay. Thanks guys for hanging out with us for a minute as we unboxed these cute pieces from LifeBeats. Let me see if they have a look. If you visit lovelifebeats.com, that's where you can check more out about all of this stuff. So, thanks for hanging out with us.
Thanks for hanging out with us. P.S. I'm a banana.